Today I'm going to be reviewing HAIARA's portable charger 10,000 mAh power bank. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This one is really cool. Why? Well, not only is it a huge power bank, not only is it small, look at that. 4 built-in cables on the back here. USB-A, USB-C, Apple Lightning cable, and finally the micro right there. Charge out. You got to charge the unit, just use one of these, charge it into the wall. Very convenient. You can charge up to 5. How? There's actually a few more ports right here, as you can see. So you can charge this with any one of these cords. You can add more if you need to. It's got a nice display. So when you get this, the first thing you're going to do is make sure you turn on the screen there. It's at 66%. And then you're going to charge it the rest of the way, either through one of these cords, or you can add a cord to charge it. This also has smart overcharge protection, so you're not going to have to worry about it like at the old units. This does insanely well on Amazon. It gets 4.8 stars, over 145 reviews. And if you can believe this, last month, 10,000, that's right, 10,000 of these were sold. So people are buying them. They're liking them. I'm not seeing them. They're getting returned. It gets great reviews. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.